Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Don't mind me, we just getting glam, and I want to share with you guys my foundation for tonight. Let's get into it.
All about natural beauty, yeah, slim Reshae.
Today we are testing out the Patrick Top Foundation. I purchased the shades 20 Golden and 21 Neutral. Let's see which one matches the best. The packaging is very beautiful, very hefty. These are the two shades side by side. First, I'm gonna take the shade 20 Golden and let's swatch. This is the shade 20 Golden. This is the shade 21 Neutral. I decided to go with 20 Golden because this matches my skin the best. Now I'm gonna blend that out. It's blending like butter, you hear me? Giving very much skin-like finish, luminous finish. Not mad at it. All right, y'all, it is almost 5 o'clock, so I gotta get out the door, but this is the finished look. I feel like I look phenomenal, honey. Like, get into it. So far, in person, I definitely think once I did the full face, it came together. But again, like I said, I do feel like I need the shade 20 with a little bit more of a neutral undertone. I probably could mix in some of my blue pigment to cool it down a little bit. But all in all, so far, first impressions, like, is giving. Like, I feel like my makeup layered really nicely on top of it. I do feel like I have, oh, child, I ain't even finished my lip. Hold on. Fenty, come to the front. This is your time. Yes, we'll just go with the Gloss Bomb Stick in the shade Sorta Selfish. And this lip liner is, I think it's called I Wouldn't, from Fenty Beauty as well. But yeah, all in all, I will say, like, my face came together really nicely. I feel like the finish is very much satin, luminous, but it's giving like radiant from within. It's not giving like ridiculously glowy, like oily glowy. I just feel like I look radiant. And yeah, I feel like it's giving skin, like I said, definitely giving medium buildable. And let's see, it says it's a Major Skin Hydrolux Luminous Skin Perfecting Foundation. So I definitely think like it allows your skin to still be skin, but it provides a decent amount of coverage. I like how it looks. I do. And I'm really struggling right now to find something, not find something negative to say, but I've literally tried 3 different foundations in the past like 3 days, and they all have been really good. So I'm trying also to not compare them, but at the same time, it's just like, dang, like the girls are coming out with some great foundations. And I'm trying to figure out like what stands out for me to be able to tell you guys like which one you should get, because y'all don't need 50 million foundations at the house. But I will say this is more of a glam like foundation in my opinion. I feel like it gives, it's like it's not like ridiculously lightweight. It's lightweight, but I do feel like I got on makeup, but I also do got glitter on my lid, so baby, it's gonna give you got on makeup. But as far as the face, like, it looks good. It looks flawless. I don't think this would be a foundation that I would wear for like everyday wear, but that's because I don't wear makeup every day. But I would definitely like grab this as something I would go to for when I have events, when I'm doing a little bit more glam, or when I'm doing like a soft glam. Like, I feel like this foundation is great for that. Now, Patrick Top, you ate, honey. Yes, you did, because my face look good. And I know the beauty is within, but you got me glowing on the skin. Okay, I know that's right. So yeah, I need to take out my clips, but I think I want to keep them in until I get to the venue. Acting like I'm, you know, going to film for Real Housewives reunion or something. But yeah, y'all let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about this foundation, what you think about the shade match. Do you think it looks good? I may try and see if I can do a little wear test and just update you guys on how it looks after I get home from this pageant. But yeah, all right, y'all, it is now 12:06 a.m. and I've had this makeup on. Let's see, I left the house, I finished my makeup around 5, so it's been 7 hours. I did gently touch up with my Fenty Invisimatte powder. This is before the pageant, so that was maybe within 2 hours of wearing the foundation, but everything still looked good. This is what my face looks like right now. Again, just have some grease popping through in the normal areas where I have some grease, so I'm just gonna take a little triangle puff. My girl Asia put me on, whether you have a blotting powder or blotting sheets or not, if you keep one of these little triangle puffs with you at all times in your car, in your purse, like you can literally use that to kind of just touch up your face without adding any additional product, but kind of mattifying your face again, if that makes sense. So this is what my face looks like after just pressing this powder puff on my face. And if I do say so myself, she looks good. Like, yeah, and where I was at, it was hot in there. Like the air had stopped working or whatever. So we literally in there fanning, church fanning. It's that hot. And the makeup did not move. I think, like I said, I think it looks really good. The only complaint I would have, which ain't really a complaint, it's just a request as you expand, is having shade 20 with a neutral undertone. Like, I think that would be perfect for me. But like I said, I made this work. So I'll be sending back shade 21 because that one's a little bit too dark for me. But all in all, like, Patrick Ty, you did that, friend. Like, you did. The girlies are eating up the foundations with these new launches. So please comment below what other makeup that you guys want me to try out, so I can clock the tea and let y'all know whether it's given or whether they need to go back to the lab, okay? I hope y'all enjoyed this video. As always, be kind, be true, and be you to full. Bye!
It's Slim Reshae, and you rub your booty. It's Slim Reshae, oh yeah, Slim Reshae.